Hello, my name is Nadir. Today we'll learn together how to create a free Zoom account, okay? And I'll start to how to manage my Zoom account, okay? Let's start by zoom.com or zoom.us for Zoom website itself, okay? This is the main page of the Zoom website, okay? There is some solutions and the product, of course, meetings, webinar and event, chat, whiteboard, etc. Okay, industries, which is used for the zone 4 is education, finance, governance, etc. Okay, here we want to focus on the plans and the pricing. Okay, there is a four plan for Zoom itself. Okay, there is a basic, which is a free one. Okay, up to 100 participant, unlimited meetings, up to 40 meeting minutes. You have to arrange by yourself. If you have a free account, that's meeting maximum for 40 minutes. Okay, and there is a pro for small business. Okay, this is a price per year and per license. This is benefit, including for, okay, this is a small business, which is called business. Okay, and this is a benefit and the price. And there is a largest one is enterprise, large business ready. Okay, this is a the price per year and the license, and here you'll find the benefits. This is depend you need exactly. Okay, of course today we will go for the sign up. Okay, we can sign up for here or can sign up for here. It's for free. Okay, sign up means start create an Zoom account. Okay, they will guide me to verification code. Verification code, please confirm your date. Okay, here mentioned the date will not be stored. Okay, just create your birth date. Sorry, your birth date. Okay, just create your birth date and start continue to, for example, okay, Zoom account. Here, this is a sign up free account page. Okay, here you even or either you can sign up by email address or one of those account, SSO account, Apple account, Google or Facebook account. Okay, let's say for example I want to sign up for free in Zoom account by my email address. So just I have to write down my email address and sign up. Okay, it will guide me another activate page. Mention that they sent an email activation email, send it to me to my account. Just I have to go to my email and continue the registration, which is I have to set up a password, strong password for the first time, and start using my email account from sign up okay. Okay, here we go. This is a sign in page. Okay, just write down the registered email address and the password and sign in. Okay, okay, this is the main page of my account in Zoom, of course. Okay, there is a personal details and admin, okay, tools for manage your account. Okay, let's start by personal, my profile. Okay, you can add your profile picture or image, of course. Okay, and there is a details of your profile itself. Okay, there is a meetings. Here I can start the create meetings. Okay, first of all I have upcoming meetings that's coming in the future. I have a previous meeting list. Okay, and I have a personal room and meeting template if I create meeting template, of course. Okay, the upcoming meeting I can if I have a very long list I can search it by time, of course, or by date, sorry, of course. Okay, just for example starting from 1st of June till, for example, let's say 4th of June. Okay, and yeah, 4th of June or 15th of June. Okay, and it will show up the meetings, okay, upcoming meetings, which is between those date, but it's already mentioned there is no have not have any meeting during this period. Okay, this is a very important area where I can manage my upcoming or previous meeting, of course. Okay, of course there is a lot when I can find the webinar and the phone, personal and whiteboard and recording. If I'm record my meetings, can find it here, of course. Okay, but the very important, which is focusing in today and those sessions, this is for the meetings. Okay, for the next session I will go for schedule a meeting and go for details how to schedule a meeting the first time, how I can edit in the meeting, and how I can launch the meeting and manage the details and the option including the meeting. Okay, see you the next time and goodbye.